Hi, crafty friends. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're making something super colorful and squishy. Can you guess what it is? That's right. We're making rainbow slime. It's going to be so much fun. First, let's look at what we need. You'll need some clear glue, baking soda, contact lens solution, and most importantly, lots of different colored food coloring. Don't forget small bowls for mixing and spoons. And remember, always ask a grown-up for help with these ingredients. Let's start with our first color. I'm going to pick red. Pour a little bit of glue into your first bowl, just a small amount like this. Now, add a tiny pinch of baking soda. Stir, stir, stir until it's all mixed in. Now for the magic. Add 1 or 2 drops of red food coloring. Wow, look at that. Stir it up. See how red it's getting? Now for our activator, add a tiny bit of contact lens solution. Add it little by little and keep stirring. It will start to get sticky and then turn into slime. Keep stirring until it pulls away from the bowl. Yay! We have red slime. Now let's do the same thing for orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. You can pick any colors you like. Just repeat the steps. Glue, baking soda, food coloring, and then the contact lens solution. Look at all our beautiful colors. Now for the best part. Carefully take each color of slime and lay it out like a rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Take your time. Make sure they are touching. Now, the super satisfying part. Squish it, stretch it, and mix it all together to create your very own swirling rainbow masterpiece. It's so soft and stretchy. You can pull it, poke it, and watch the colors swirl. Look at this amazing rainbow slime. Wasn't that fun? I hope you had a blast making your own. If you loved this craft, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more awesome DIYs, and hit that notification bell. Bye, crafty friends. See you next time.